Mastery practice question 1. Solve this equation. Okay, so we have 4 power 2x minus 1 plus 4 power 2x equals to 4. Right. So since this is plus, we can't really simplify this. So what we do is we expand it. So this becomes 4 power 2x times 4 power negative 1 plus 4 power 2x equals to 4. Why we times here? Because when you times, the power will become plus. So 2x plus negative 1, we get back 2x minus 1. Right. So from here, 4 power negative 1 is 1 over 4. 4 power 2x plus 4 power 2x equals to 4. So we have 1/4 of 4 power 2x plus 1 of 4 power 2x. So 1/4 of an orange plus 1 orange, we get 5 over 4 power 2x. Then we can slowly make this into subject. So 5 over 4 we bring over here. 4 power 2x is 4 divided by 5 over 4. So 4 divided by 5 over 4 is 16 over 5. Now, we want to make x the subject. So 4, we move it there, becomes log. So 2x comes down, this becomes log 4, 16 over 5. So making x the subject, we'll get log 4, 16 over 5 divided by 2. Log 4, 16 over 5, the whole thing divided by 2. 2. So we get 0.4195. Done. Oops. Alright. This will be our answer for question 1.